Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna be showing you how to decorate an airy and big kitchen. Today we are here in a gorgeous home in 719 Spring, Mazima, Lavington. We designed this place 2 years ago with Canaan developer. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to style a white and airy kitchen. So first, gather all the things that you need. You have your jars, pasta, canisters, chopping board, bottles, herbs, plates, towels, and some other accessories. The first zone, I call it wet zone. So the main action will be in this zone. You have your dishwasher in this area, your sink in this area, and you have your cooker in this area, your hob, your built-in cooker, your built-in microwave, and built-in oven. Okay, gather all the things that you need to style the zone 1. So we need like cooking the chopping board against the backsplash. Next would be place all your bottles, your cooking oil bottles, and also your vinegar bottles, but place it not aligned, but place these bottles, the smaller bottle in front. Then get your pasta at the back, so it gives you heights and textures and depth. So I think we need to do that thing so that it keeps you more stylish and not really properly rehearsed. Then next, you will put your jars and also your spices next to it. Place it there. I would love to use some like clear jars so that all the contents will be seen from outside. It's easier for you to look at what's inside. Then also place any greens next to your sink. It gives freshness. Then to finish your kitchen, you have to add more accessories to give like depth and style. So I'll be using this African drum, and place it here to have a focal point. Then you need to add heights on it. So let's place a bottle on top of it. So it's a rule of thumb, like you have odds in designing. You have 3 items here. See how it elevates the kitchen. Then to finish your kitchen, don't forget the towels. Lay them over here. And also, you can place some recipe books next to your cooking area. So that's it. That's how you style your zone 1. We are now moving on the next zone, which is the storage zone. In this area, we have a blank canvas. So we're gonna be doing interesting things in this area. We have to camouflage this DB box so that your attention will not be drawn on this area. So to do that one, let's put an artwork below it, so that your attention will drawn on the artwork, not on the DB box. Then exaggerate it with flowers. Place it here, or maybe here. Search for the face of the flower. Okay, this area we can also do something interesting in this area. So we'll move the flower in this area. Put your towel there. Put your glasses on a tray, like a ceramic tray, over here. And also, it's lacking something. So to balance it, let's put a lantern on this area. So this is so cool, right? So put your lantern in this. So it's actually transformed the area already. So I really love white kitchens. It's very flexible. It has a lot of things to be done to make it like more stylish, more designer thing. This part of your counter, we'll be using this one as a prep area. And you have all your drawers down there for your cutleries. So to finish this prep area, we will be adding some natural baskets for your storage. There, leave a space so that it doesn't look like so cluttered. And also, your ceramics will be placed here. Now, in this area, we can use this area as a coffee area. So, place your jars, 3 jars for your creamer, for hot chocolate, and also for your coffee. Put some accessories beside it. And a coffee area will not be complete without cups and saucers. And to finish this area, to have like more cozy feel, we can also add one more lantern. So that's it. We are now on the last zone of the kitchen, which is the island. Some people want to call it bar, and some people want to call it the breakfast area. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to decorate your bar counter. So first, you have to select nice bar stool. So we got this nice bar stool. Place it here. We got 3 of them. Place them nicely. Then now, I don't want to clutter anything. So to put focal point on your bar area, you can put like arrangement of flowers in this part. To finish your counter, you can place nice flower arrangement on it, but not overpowering the pendant light. So that's it. This has been Ace, and see you on my next vlog.